I have to confess, I'm not following the rule I'm describing here, but for a good reason. I use the system Flutter with Flame, the game engine, to reach more platforms. So I think this time I can make an exception to the rule, so I can reach these other platforms. So what have I done so far is this: an animation to calm our mind. But today I try another spin of this idea. So I'll play a little around with the particle system. So let's see. Here we have the position. Right now this is random. So I want to start at points. I want to start at the middle. That's the starting position. So 0, 0. And this speed, this is the direction. So this should be a point on a circle. So random do we have here? Now I want this from an angle. So circle vector 2, which is vector 2, but depending on the angle. So which is let's see, type is double, say move the angle inside the circle. Right. So the first is the sign of, let's move the cosine, move. So acceleration, so we take the circle vector, but speed, what do we use? Let's use dot point 1 and 0 is the starting point. So as we move, let's take 1, spin count 5. So one circle is 2 pi. So let's use pi divided by 2. Let's see what happens. expected a little different, so let's start again. Alright. It starts at the beginning, top left. I want to start in the center position 0.5. Oops. What's this? 0. No, it's not what I thought it would be. So one position 1.0 and start over. Still, it starts here. What is going on? I'm drawing a circle of the position X and Y. But one is not enough. Maybe I've forgotten the size. Haven't I had this size before? I think yes. Times size. The next. Let's see if this changes anything. Right. Better. But still too fast. So 1/10 of this. Let's see. Well, all right. Let's take no starting speed and accelerate. Just a little. So let's have a look. Right. This is always the same angle, so this is not helpful. So let's take I again. I want to get a double value, and let's have a look now. So this is too fast. So this is the direction, but it is too much at the same time. So the components to be a little smaller. So So I take here as a factor times the factor, and again so the angle the factor is. So let's have a look. What's wrong? All right, that's interesting. Not what I was expecting, but interesting indeed. What if I make it slower still? So let's have a look. Interesting. Okay, let's do it the other way. Make it faster. What does this look like? Maybe it is better to refactor this code so we can work on this later in a better way. So can we do a component? This is tunnel, we call it, and return all this. So let's see if this still works. Looks like it. Yeah. So maybe we should preserve the thing we had before in the same way. Defining a timer component, start with, let's call it sparks. So I don't know exactly how it looked like. Maybe we can take a look at source control and compare with the older version. So let's have a look. The older version is this on the left side. So let's take this timer component and everything except the last bracket. Copy that, and put it here, right here. Semicolon. Compiles. Let's switch to Sparks. Have a look. Yeah, it looks the way it looked before. Okay. Switch back. And we're back. Nice. So we have two different kinds of particles we see here. Okay. Now let's see what happens if we play around with the parameters. First, lifetime. That's 2. And have a look. Okay. What if we change speed and acceleration? What if we use constant speed and no acceleration? Let's see. Looks like. Interesting. So let's turn up the light. And okay. Maybe back to 10. Maybe we should move a little bit faster. Speed, okay. It's faster. Let's see. Maybe this 10 times and here divided by 10. So let's have a look. Seems like 60 is not enough. So what would it be? So pi is 3.14, that is 6.28. So let's take 3 and see again. So the circle is there. Let's see. That is interesting. Fascinating. What do you think? Does this calm the mind? So let's tweak a little more. I think the lifespan of 10 is too much. Let's take only 5 seconds and let's see. Yeah, this should be enough, I think, for most devices. I don't know what happens if the device is larger, has a larger or bigger resolution. But this could be interesting on the devices too. So, period. The time of update. Let's change that to 5 times slower and see what happens. Nice. I think this is even better. What do you think? Do you like the last version we've seen before or this one? I don't know. A flickering here is the best solution. How does it look like if we take the randomness of the size away? So let's take a look at that. Let's come. I like that even more. What do you think? What is your favorite?